Hi, all the mothers. All the mothers, I just want to let you to know, have a good Mother's Day. I know all the mothers been crying and crying because the dads of the sons of the mother's kids were beating girls up. That's not a problem. You just need to stay safe. And the COVID-19, I can't really shout it out right now. But guys, just know that be on together. I give a big heart to my mom. My mom is the one that made me and protects me. And two guys, I just want to let you know, see you're watching this video on YouTube or Facebook, please give me a follow or subscribe or do whatever you want. But please do one of those. See, you want to see me again, you can go to my live at tomorrow. Tomorrow you can go to my live and see it, so you can see more content about the corona, the COVID-19, the thing. We're gonna be talking about more stuff today. We're posting this video on YouTube for the mothers, and today I'm doing a live. Sorry because I said tomorrow. I lost the control of it a little, but guys, please stay good in the COVID-19, and all the mothers, I love you.